Do you struggle with speaking English fluently because you're always translating in your head? If yes, don't worry. Today, I'll teach you 5 powerful techniques to help you think in English naturally, just like a native speaker. In this video, I'm going to share 5 super effective techniques that will change your life and have you thinking in English 24/7. No more translating, promise. Make sure you like and subscribe to Easy English Learning Group so you don't miss out on any future tips. Let's get started. The first technique is simple. Label everything around you in English. See that lamp in the corner? Just think lamp. It's training your brain to think in English, even when you don't realize it. You can do this anywhere, anytime. When you're walking down the street, start naming everything you see. Car, tree, sidewalk, pigeon. This will make a huge difference. It might feel weird at first, but the more you do it, the more natural it will become. You might think this is too easy to be effective. But seriously, try it. It's the easiest way to immerse yourself in the language, even if you're just sitting at home watching Netflix. So yeah, labeling stuff. Do it. You won't regret it. Now that you're a pro at labeling, let's level up. The next technique is describing what you see. Imagine you're the star of your own reality TV show and give a play-by-play of everything you're doing. Instead of just thinking I'm making coffee, say to yourself, I'm making coffee right now. I'm so tired. I need caffeine. The more you do it, the easier it will become to think in English without realizing it. Plus, it's a good way to practice your grammar and vocabulary without feeling like you're studying. And hey, if you accidentally say something out loud and people look at you weird, just pretend you're talking on the phone. Problem solved. Try it out. Trying to think in another language can be exhausting. When you're first starting out, don't try to be Shakespeare. Keep your thoughts short, sweet, and to the point. Think things like, I'm hungry. That's funny. I love this song. The more you use these simple phrases, the more natural they'll start to feel. Eventually, you'll be able to form more complex thoughts without breaking a sweat. For now, just focus on keeping it simple. Remember, you're teaching yourself how to think all over again, but in English, and that's a pretty big deal. Keep it simple. You got this. One of the best ways to start thinking in English is to talk to yourself. Have full-on conversations with yourself. In English, obviously. When you talk to yourself, you don't have to worry about making mistakes or sounding weird. It's your own personal English practice zone. Talk about your day, your plans for the weekend, your undying love for Harry Styles, anything that comes to mind. The point is to get comfortable with the sound of your own voice speaking English. Try it and see how it helps. If you really want to nail thinking in English, consume as much English content as possible. Movies, TV shows, music, podcasts, you name it. Don't just passively watch or listen. Pay attention to how native speakers use the language. Notice their pronunciation, intonation, and sentence structure. Try to imitate them. Repeat phrases out loud. Copy their expressions. The more you expose yourself to the rhythm and flow of the language, the more natural it will start to feel. Practice makes perfect. And there you have it. Those are my 5 super effective techniques for thinking in English like a pro. If you try these, you'll see a huge difference in your fluency. Talk to yourself, narrate your life, label everything in sight. Just have fun with it. And most importantly, don't give up. Learning a new language takes time and effort, but it's totally worth it. Try these techniques and let me know in the comments which one helps you the most. And before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Easy English Learning Group for more helpful lessons. See you in the next video.